Hello, my name is Lloyd. I look after Console Connect application support. My job is to help our users with anything related to our platform. Today, I will be showcasing how to connect to Huawei Cloud using Console Connect CloudRouter, taking advantage of a better, more secure and smarter way to get to your cloud instance. From the dashboard, go to the menu, then CloudRouter, then View All. Then click on Add Site to CloudRouter, select Cloud, and select Huawei. Over here, you need to enter your Huawei account ID. For that, you need to head over to the Huawei portal. In Huawei, go to your user information and click on My Credentials. Then copy your project ID under the correct region and head back to Console. In Console, paste your project ID and select your Huawei port location. Then click on Next. Enter your site name. Over here you can select your bandwidth and your class of service. Then click on the Review. Then click on Next. Over here is the payment page. Here you need to agree to the terms and conditions. Please note, only invoice payments are supported at this point in time. Then click on Create Site. This will take a moment to complete. Once completed, you need to take note of the configuration details. Then head back to Huawei portal. In Huawei, head over to Network Console, Direct Connect, and Connections. Over here, you will see the Huawei services delivered. Click on Create Virtual Gateway, then on Create Virtual Interface. Now create your virtual interface and fill in the details. Then click on Create Now. This will take a minute. Then refresh. Now your Huawei CloudRouter is fully provisioned. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us on support@consoleconnect.com. I would be more than happy to help you further.